Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best 1927 Cookbook is probably one of the most fascinating glimpses into the culinary world of the past, offering a unique opportunity to explore the recipes, cooking techniques, and food trends that defined a bygone era, and it's an invaluable resource for anyone interested in historical gastronomy or seeking to recreate authentic dishes from the Roaring Twenties. Number 5. Fullstar XL Vegetable Chopper and Mandoline Slicer. Introducing the Fullstar XL, your new go-to kitchen companion. It's designed to make preparing your favorite meals quick and easy, saving you valuable time. This all-in-one gadget handles all your slicing, dicing, and grating needs. With 6 interchangeable blades, it can tackle everything from onions and potatoes to cheese and fruits. Crafted from durable, BPA-free materials and featuring extra-hard ABS plastic, it's built to withstand daily use. The sharp stainless steel blades ensure precision and longevity. Your safety is paramount. It comes with a protective finger guard for secure handling, allowing you to chop and slice with confidence and peace of mind. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your meals. This chopper is completely dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Looking for a practical gift? This versatile tool is ideal for anyone who loves cooking, making it a thoughtful present for housewarmings, holidays, or any occasion. What we like? This kitchen gadget is a true time saver with its multiple blades for dicing, slicing, and grating. If you're looking for a way to speed up your meal prep and reduce cleanup time, this is the tool for you. Its versatility makes it ideal for anyone who wants to simplify their cooking process. What people say. The 1927 Good Housekeeping Cookbook is a treasure trove of classic recipes. It provides detailed instructions and historical context for each dish, making it a valuable resource for anyone interested in culinary history. This cookbook is beautifully illustrated with period photographs and line drawings, adding to its charm and authenticity. The recipes are well organized and easy to follow, even for novice cooks. Beyond the recipes, the 1927 Good Housekeeping Cookbook offers practical advice on kitchen management, food preservation, and entertaining. It's a comprehensive guide that goes beyond just cooking. Number 4. 28-Day Mediterranean Diet, your lifelong healthy eating plan. Discover a sustainable way to eat that nourishes your body and delights your taste buds. This plan is designed to become a lifelong habit you'll love. Explore over 60 flavorful recipes inspired by the Mediterranean diet. These are satisfying meals you'll genuinely enjoy preparing and eating. Simplify your journey with 4 weeks of comprehensive meal plans and organized grocery lists. Track your progress and build confidence in your healthy eating choices. This guide offers bonus pages to help you seamlessly extend your healthy eating habits beyond the initial 28 days. Ensure long-term success and enjoyment. Gain valuable insights and expert advice on how to easily integrate these principles into your daily life. Learn to savor every healthy meal. Adapt to a healthy eating lifestyle with this quick and easy planner. It's your roadmap to delicious, nourishing meals and lasting well-being. What we like? This planner offers a structured approach to adopting a healthy Mediterranean lifestyle. If you are new to this way of eating or need guidance on meal planning and grocery shopping, this book provides all the tools. It's perfect for those seeking a sustainable and delicious path to better health. What people say. The 1927 Good Housekeeping Cookbook is a treasure trove of classic recipes, offering a glimpse into the culinary landscape of the early 20th century. This cookbook features detailed instructions and helpful tips that are still relevant for today's home cooks. Its comprehensive collection of recipes covers everything from appetizers to desserts, making it a versatile addition to any kitchen library. Number 3. Chef's Path Airtight Food Containers, 24-pack, blue. Tired of a cluttered kitchen? Introducing our set of 24 BPA-free food storage containers. They're designed to bring order and style to your pantry. This set offers a variety of sizes to store everything from flour and sugar to snacks and cereal. You'll find the perfect fit for all your dry goods. Our containers feature airtight, locking lids that keep your food fresh and flavorful. Say goodbye to stale ingredients and enjoy lasting quality. Maximize your kitchen space with these stackable containers. They fit neatly in your fridge, cupboards, and on counters, creating a clutter-free environment. This package comes complete with a chalkboard marker, labels, and a measuring spoon set. Everything you need to get organized right away. What we like. Achieve a beautifully organized pantry with this comprehensive set of food containers. If you struggle with keeping dry goods fresh and your kitchen tidy, these airtight and stackable containers are the solution. They are perfect for anyone who values both functionality and a clean aesthetic in their kitchen. What people say. These containers solve all of my problems. They make my pantry look way more organized and have an airtight seal, no bugs. Yay! My husband and kids both can easily grasp the concept of putting the cover back on. And the food stays fresh for months. I love that this comes in several different sizes. The larger containers we typically use for cereal or large bags of chips. All these cereals fit perfectly, but popular brand cereal boxes are slightly too big, so I suggest waiting to transfer until you have at least one large bowl. With a little tapping to shift the food in the container, we can usually fit entire bags of food into the appropriate sized container. I also like that these are so easy to clean. The rubber seal comes out with the back of a straw cleaner, and then there's only 3 parts to clean. Number 2. Delish Air Fryer Cookbook. Get ready to host the ultimate party with over 75 delicious air fryer recipes. From appetizers to main courses, we've got you covered. This best-selling cookbook is designed for ease of use. With 160 pages and spiral binding, it lays flat for effortless cooking. Achieve perfectly crispy and crunchy results every time. Enjoy guilt-free versions of your favorite fried foods. Discover a wide range of recipes, including classic appetizers like onion rings and mozzarella sticks, plus roasted vegetables and juicy chicken. Unlock the full potential of your appliance with expert tips and clever hacks. Elevate your cooking and make your favorite dishes even better. Every recipe comes with a beautiful photo to guide you. See exactly what you're making for delicious results. What we like. Unlock the full potential of your air fryer with this collection of delicious recipes. If you love your air fryer but are running out of ideas, this book is a must-have. It's ideal for home cooks who want to explore a wide variety of crispy, guilt-free meals with ease. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow and yield delicious results. This cookbook is a comprehensive guide to cooking, covering a wide range of dishes and techniques. The binding is sturdy and lays flat on the counter, making it convenient to use while cooking. Number 1. Enjoy the wood personalized recipe book binder. Discover the beauty of natural birch plywood with our recipe book. Its rustic aesthetic adds a unique touch to your kitchen, making it a joy to use. Create a cherished family heirloom with this personalized cookbook. It's the perfect place to record your culinary traditions for generations to come. Crafted for durability, this binder keeps your precious recipes safe and organized. It's designed to withstand the test of time and frequent use. Transform your favorite recipes into a beautiful, personalized cookbook. This DIY journal is an ideal addition to any kitchen and a thoughtful gift for cooks. With plenty of blank pages, this cookbook is your canvas for culinary expression. It's the perfect way to document your unique recipes in a special holder. Looking for a unique and heartfelt gift? This customizable recipe book is ideal for moms, aspiring chefs, or anyone who loves to cook and share their creations. What we like. Create a cherished family cookbook with this beautifully crafted binder. If you have a passion for collecting and preserving your favorite recipes, this personalized journal is the perfect choice. It's an ideal gift for anyone who wants to document their culinary legacy in a unique and lasting way. What people say. The book is gorgeous. It is a little more delicate, so it will have to be handled carefully, especially when closing from the back. That will have to be mindfully done because of the binding being all wooden. Quality craftsmanship. Shipping was fast, it was packaged so well, it took me a while to open the package. Quite versatile. This book is made so impeccably, I adore it. It smells so amazing. Love the choice of birch. The details, it's just so lovely. See, this cookbook is freaking insanely awesome. I love it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.